Hi everybody. If you have brought something from Nike online and you want to return it for a refund or exchange it for a different size and item, in today's video we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial you can follow up to do so. So let's get started. So first of all, we can head over to nike.com and head over to the login page. Look out for the login option in the top right corner, and once you're logged in, we can go to the order space here. Click on orders to open up the order space. Now from the space right here, we can just go over and open up the order that we want to return and select up that specific item and start the return. And while we are starting the return, what we need to do is we need to basically go ahead and, print the return level and send the item back. And what happens after is Nike will receive the item and your refund is issued to the original payment options. And Nike does not always do a direct exchange online. Usually we need to return the item using the steps and place a new order for the correct size or product. And sometimes Nike offers instant exchange for sizes during the return process. We can just go over and use that. And they will you can just go over and look out for their return policy within their website as well and learn about it. But that's it, everybody. You can follow that process. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.